Hey, what's going on, y'all? Just keeping y'all motivated. I see we got over 100 subscribers. I appreciate all of y'all, all my fans out there that's showing support. Now let's push for 1,000 subscribers. I know it's a lot, but we gotta start from somewhere and build. So let's push for 150 and 200. So we're gonna go 50 each time. So we're gonna push for 150 subscribers. So if everybody can press that subscribe button and show some support. All right, now let's get into it. Get your feet on the bathtub. And knock out 20. That's 30 right there. Getting better. And stretch out. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, 40 push-ups a day keeps the heart attacks away. So you want to keep the heart clean, keep the heart breathing, and stay motivated. All right? This is what we do. Just breathe.